Welcome to AIME. Today in this video we are going to solve a question, and the question is find the sum of x plus y, and the given question is log base x plus 2y equal to 2, and given condition is if y is equal to x square and x is greater than 0 and y is less than 1. Then our given question is log x plus 2 base y equal to 2. Given condition is y is equal to x square, and our targeted question or our targeted value is x plus y. In order to solve this question, first we will insert y is equal to x square, or we will replace this y with this value x square inside this given question, and we will get log base x plus 2 into x square equal to 2. Now in the next step we will convert this logarithmic form into a simple math equation. And how? Simply this square is here and this base will go to the other side of the equation, and this value will be a power of this base, and this is the simple form of a logarithmic form. Now as we know that the a plus b whole square formula is a square plus 2ab plus b square, so here this value will be expanded with this along with this formula, and we will get x square is same as before, and this value will expand from a plus b whole square formula, and we will get x square plus 2x plus 4. Now this x square and this x square will cancel out, and we will get 2x plus 4 equal to 0. Now in the next step, this 4 will move to the other side of the equation and convert into the minus sign, and now this 2 will go in division with this 4 value, and we will get the value of x, which is minus 2, because 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. After division both of these value, we will get the remainder is x is equal to minus 2. Now in the next step we will find the value of x plus y, and as we know that x is same as before, but we can write this y, or we can replace this y with the value of x square as given in this question. Now put the value of x inside this equation, which is minus 2, and we will get, when we replace this x from minus 2, we will get minus 2 plus is same as before, and this x will replace with minus 2 and square is same as before. Now we will simplify this condition. Is minus 2 is same as before, but after squaring this value will convert in positive 4. Now the value of x plus y is 2. So this is the value of x plus y for this question. I hope this video is very useful to all of you. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.